Buckle up for the wildest car crash story ever. Put on your seatbelts, folks, because today, we're diving into the Phantom car crash of 1895. Imagine this, the year is 1895. There are only two cars in the entire state of Ohio. And guess what? These two Lone Rangers managed to find each other and collided. Yep, you heard that right. In a state with thousands of miles of open road, the only two cars around somehow crashed into each other. Talk about bad luck and making history at the same time. This event marked the first recorded automobile accident ever. So next time you're stuck in traffic, just remember, things could always be worse. Follow for more historical coincidences.